Hi friends, our project is Ultrasonic Blindstick with GPS tracking. The system consists of a crutch, that is a blindstick, and a bracelet as shown in my hand. The crutch can detect obstacles in front with the help of ultrasonic sensors. The obstacles are detected and prompt to the user. Furthermore, the sensors on the crutch can detect water with the help of a water sensor and fire with the help of fire sensors and other obstacles in the path with the help of ultrasonic sensors as fitted in the stick. The crutch is equipped with the GPS and GSM terminals as shown so that the location and need of the blind person can be both sent to the family and friends. This is the innovative stick designed for visually disabled person for improved navigation independently with advanced technologies. The system can recognize obstacles such as pedestrians, trees, brakes, water, heat, and so on using the ultrasonic sensors. The main objective of this project is to develop a simple guidance for the visually disabled people with the help of a GPS model to pinpoint its location of the blind people and to establish two-way communication path in a wireless fashion. Power diagram for ultrasonic blind stick is shown. It consists of a microcontroller, power supply, ultrasonic sensors, heat or fire sensor, water sensor, buzzer, GPS, GSM, LCD display, RF receiver from transmitter. Receiver section is shown here. It consists of a switch, RF transmitter to receiver, pulse detector. The switch has two buttons. One button is used to send the location of the blind person. The second button is used to find the misplaced stick with the help of beep sound. The GPS stands for Global Positioning System. It is used for navigation purpose. The GSM stands for Global System for Mobile Communication and is an open digital cellular technology used for transmitting mobile voices, data services. The GSM model makes use of narrowband time division multiplexing technique for transmitting these signals. The microcontroller features 256 EEPROM data memory, self-programming, an ICD2 comparators, 8-channel of analog to digital converters, and an universal asynchronous receiver transmitter as shown. We are using a microcontroller of PI16F877A. This is ultrasonic sensor. It is a type of sensor that uses sound waves to detect the object or target. It works on similar principle of radar or sonar, which generates high frequency sound waves and evaluates the echo which is received back by the sensor. This is water sensor to detect the presence of water or moisture. This is fire sensor. As the name suggests, it is used as a simple and compact device for protection against fire. The model makes use of a comparator to detect fire up to range of 1 to 2 meters depending upon the intensity of the fire. The snapshot of the completed project is shown here. The completed project consists of all the sensors attached to the microcontroller. The sensor perform the respective functions and they alert the user by the help of buzzers attached with the circuit. The GPS and GSM model present in the circuit are useful for identification of the location of the blind person. The location can be manually sent to the registered mobile number by pressing the allocated button, that is button 2. In other cases, if the person is unconscious, the location of the person is sent to the registered mobile number automatically. This is made possible by the presence of pulse detector in the bracelet. The normal pulse range are already set in the pulse detector, which is present in the handle of the blind stick. If the pulse value of the user goes up or down the normal value, then the location of the user is sent to the registered mobile number. And if the user misplaces the stick and couldn't find it, then he can easily find the stick by pressing the button in bracelet, that is button 1. This will turn on the buzzer, and the hearing of buzzer sound, the user can easily find the stick. The system can be applied in straight path, right angle path, and in the curved path. Just 1 meter width is required for the proper management of the stick. Let me explain you the demo of the completed project. First, the ultrasonic sensor will give the beep sound when it detects the obstacles in its path. Second, the water sensor will give the beep sound until it feels the presence of water in it. And the beep sound will get automatically stopped when the water is piped out. Last, the fire sensor will give the beep sound when it detects the presence of fire and the beep sound gets automatically stopped once the person moves away from the fire. Thank you for watching.